everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm actually going to tell you about one of my favorite liquidators and why they're my favorite. This is all about via trading and the awesome opportunities that I've gotten to make money reselling with via trading. All right, so a lot of you ask, why in the world do I go with specific liquidators? Well, I've bought from a lot of different wholesalers and liquidators and different places to do online reselling. And I'm super excited to talk to you about via trading because they have been amazing to me. First off, I've been in their facility and it's really cool. So if you haven't seen any of my YouTube videos touring their warehouse with honest information about exactly what you find, go ahead and check those out. But also I wanted to talk about via trading because their sales managers are amazing. That's the best way, in my personal opinion, to buy from them. Yes, they have online opportunities to buy, and you can peruse those, and I do sometimes buy that way, but some of my best deals and some of my biggest finds have been through dealing directly with my sales manager because they know specifically what I want, and also they keep in contact with me, and I'm able to get exactly what I want as far as ordering. I get some of the best deals for shipping. Shipping is way less than some of the regular liquidators when I buy a pallet or a case, and so just think about them as an opportunity for shipping too. Even though they're based out of California, I'm in the Midwest and I get a lot cheaper shipping rates than some of my neighbor wholesalers or liquidators near me. So they have been super amazing. I have made lots of money off of reselling a lot of the things that I get from the local via trading liquidator, and so if you have not checked out via trading, go ahead and click the link in the description below, and hopefully you'll get some really good stuff. This stack of shoes all came brand new from via trading that I'm standing right next to, and they have been great sellers for me on my Poshmark platform as well as my Amazon.com platform. So you can get a lot of different things from via trading. You may not be into shoes, but you can get general merchandise, you can get tools. They have deals with lots of different big box stores and a variety of different things. So I just wanted to give this shout out to via trading and say, hey, they're an awesome place to look for. Make sure you contact a sales manager because a lot of the stuff that they get on the floor, it leaves the same day. So if you contact them, you can get some of those good deals that don't even show up online. So hopefully it's been helpful to kind of learn what I like about via trading and that I've made a lot of money flipping some stuff online from the via trading liquidator. Hopefully it's been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Don't know how to get to via trading? Click the link in the description below. Via Trading was also awesome enough to create a coupon code for my viewers only. Use the coupon code HOOKED, shown in the description below.
This code will give you $50 off your very first order of $250 or more from via trading.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.